In South Australia I was born. Heave away, all the way. South Australia is...
Pepsi bottle, a Coca-Cola glass. I don't give a
Where am I?
Hello? Is this Among Us?
Hello, how are you? I am under the water.
Australia. The country with one of the most harshest environments ever known to man was at one point not even a country, but a colony. More specifically, a penal colony. This colony was set up after their old one became free and independent. Well, time to go home. That's a cool statue.
After months of sailing in my 10 ships, we're finally here, the promised land. Alright, let's go, mateys. I'll call this place New South Wales. And this is my house. You like it? Whoa, that was weird. What was that? Gold!
The US isn't the only place to have a gold rush. Australia had their gold rush, starting in 1851, the same year when your mom was born. The Australians found and excavated 1,898,391 kilograms of gold, which when converted to gold per kilo, would come out to a whopping total of $105,921,428,249.67, which if converted to $100 bills, would weigh 1,059,214 kilograms, or 3¼ of a blue whale. Their biggest nugget, called Welcome Stranger, was excavated on the 5th of February 1869, which weighed 72 kilograms, or 158 pounds. To put this in context, the average Japanese male weighs 69 kilograms. Nice. Welcome Stranger is a reference to the 1987 DuckTales Home Sweet Homer movie, where at 2 minutes 30 seconds in, says the phrase, "Welcome Stranger."
Yeah, don't need this. Yeah, I'm here.
So what's the plan, Captain?
Aye. Here be the plan.
Says your house, Captain.
Aye. Watch this. We'll be stealing the paintings from the emus.
Isn't that it right there, Captain?
Aye, but I got it from the gift shop.
The end of the year was just around the corner. Then all of a sudden, boom, a giant horde of huge birds that can jump 7 feet start running the place. So these net 14 feet basketball legends terrorized the farmers every day until they couldn't stand it anymore, and called the only people that could help: the military, who sent a whopping total of 3 dudes to handle the situation. You know what happened next. It's not like there's thousands of videos that already cover this topic. So the emus, after getting attacked by hunters, formed a union called the NSAVP, short for
Nationalsozialistische Australische Vogelpartei.
for representation in the government. The emu leader, Adi, was a very charismatic bird who quickly gained a large following in the emu population. Adi, after seeing the success of their neighbor, Muso Kiwi, tried to overthrow the government through the Perth Putsch. Adi, in a matter of no time, became Chancellor of Australia, and the rest is history. Now you may be saying, oh, this is nonsense. Australia isn't run by emus, they're run by people. They're just normal prime ministers. That's what they want you to think. Do you really think that the prime minister would just shart themselves in a McDonald's? No. secret behind this. How can a prime minister go swimming and disappear while the emus even played like a fiddle?
I'll be back.
Where are you going, Captain?
Ah, you're coming with me. I need you for my plans, boy.
Okay,
Well, that was easy.
Welcome back, Captain.
Come, sit down. Looky here, there be the plan.
okay,
We're trying to steal this beauty, the most prized possession of the emus. I need you, me boy, to go around and hit the museum from the top. Here's where you'll be going, boy. But beware, there are feral animals there. One that, if attacked, may be lethal. It'll be a miracle if you survive.
Damn, boy!
oh no. Australians hate cats. They hate cats so much, whenever anyone is found to be a cat lady, they say them off to the forbidden land of China. This, however, had horrible consequences. Devious cat ladies had kangaroos smuggle cats in their pouches from China. The cats of the cat ladies ran free into the bush and bred as fast as the fires. Eventually, 99.8% of the country had been taken over by these cats. That is one cat for every 4 kilometers that also kill billions of native animals every year, which a majority only live in Australia. Fun fact, cats aren't the only feral animals in Australia. There are deers, goats, horses, and camels? So apparently, there are more than 1 million wild camels just wandering around Australia, which, believe it or not, has the largest population of wild camels.
Here we are.
I,
We only have one chance. Don't screw this up.
I,
We get in and out. No one will know. Let's go. What do you just trip on?
sir.
Ah. You go left, I'll go right. Is that the alarm? It's worse than death. You got the painting? Quick, put it in here. Let's go. Run, you fool! Quick, give it to him. We go to the woods and escape Yar. Run! Hurry, boy, the hounds are coming! Yeah, we're almost there. Okay, good. I already have the boat set, so let's go. You caught him. Get off me, you scurvy dogs. Go without me, boy. I'll find a way. Escape, laddie. We go to the woods and escape Yar. What?